Re-establish air defenses on the beach. Hold the enemy back long enough to make evacuation possible.
Look lively, gentlemen. The French and our own boys are dying left and right to delay the advance of the bloody Jerrys. Dawn is upon us, and we still have many troops to evacuate. Air raid! Man the AA guns!
Look out! It's coming this way! Take cover, lads! Help! I'm hurt!
Gentlemen, the goal of Operation Dynamo is to evacuate as many British and French soldiers as possible. Now, make haste and do everything you can to re-establish our air defenses.
Where's our kites? Why aren't they helping us?
They're giving their lives to fend off what they can, away from the beaches.
Ready, sir. Our ammo stock was blown up and we quickly ran out, sir. Now our precious Bofors is bloody useless. Come on! Ready, sir. Moving! Enemy! This AA gun took a lot of damage. It's not beyond repair though, but we don't have any tools. Can you help out? Come on! Come on! Come on! Transport ready. Any orders, sir? Our truck got hit in that attack. Can you tow our AA gun into position? Any orders, sir? Reporting for duty. Got it. Awaiting orders. Affirmative. Transport ready. Moving, sir. Affirmative. Yes.
Now hurry up and reinforce our defense line on the outskirts of Dunkirk. Take cover in houses and do not let the Jerrys break through.
Yes.
On the way, hunting for tanks.
Any orders, sir?
Fliege zum Ziel. Das wäre einer weniger.
HMS Ivanhoe is ready to provide fire support.
Orders? Any orders, sir? Orders? Yes?
Yes. Reporting for duty. Awaiting orders.
Enemy sighted.
Yes. Hurry up!
Yes, sir. Moving.
The destroyer is ready to fire.
Reporting for duty.
Spare fire!
HMS Ivanhoe is ready to provide fire support.
Open fire!
Done. Their artillery zeroed in on those houses. They could be hit in any second.
Yes. Yes. Moving.
Move back one street and establish a new defense line.
Moving. Truck reporting for duty. Got it.
Any orders, sir?
Yes, sir.
Hurry up.
Relocating the gun. Reporting for duty. Vehicle is operational. We are ready, sir.
Machine gun, oiled and ready.
Orders? Yes.
Reinforcements arrived. HMS Ivanhoe is ready to provide fire support.
Any orders, sir? Yes.
Ready, sir.
Machine gun moving.
Orders? Yes, sir. On the way. Awaiting orders.
Ready, sir. Machine gun moving. Hurry up.
Awaiting orders. Awaiting orders.
Ready, sir.
Orders? Come on!
Reporting for duty.
Yes, sir. We are ready, sir. Any orders, sir? Transport ready.
The destroyer is ready to fire.
Yes.
HMS Ivanhoe is ready to provide fire support.
Orders?
Moving, sir.
Yes.
Infantry on the move. On the way.
Yes.
The destroyer is ready to fire.
Ziel unter Beschuss nehmen! Ziel in Sicht!
Artillery strike incoming. Move back one street.
Reporting for duty. Reporting for duty.
Yes, sir. Ready, sir.
Yes. We are ready, sir. Orders? Moving, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Target destroyed. Got it. Reporting for duty. On the way. Infantry reporting for duty. Ready, sir. Come on! Orders? Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. Reporting for duty.
Yes, sir.
Machine gun moving. Yes, sir. Hurry up! Awaiting orders. We are ready, sir.
Orders.
Infantry on the move.
Orders.
Affirmative. Orders?
Reinforcements arrived.
Any orders, sir? Affirmative.
HMS Ivanhoe is ready to provide fire support.
Ready to attack. Affirmative. Any orders, sir? Yes.
Medic moving.
Infantry ready. Infantry on the move. Awaiting orders. Vehicle is operational. Truck reporting for duty. Come on!
Enemy!
We are ready, sir. Yes. Aim.
Eingesichtet! Löscht sie aus!
Target destroyed. Transport ready. Reporting for duty. Ready, sir.
HMS Ivanhoe is ready to provide fire support.
Awaiting orders.
Destroyed! Target destroyed!
Leave those buildings, quickly!
Yes, sir.
You've got to make your final stand. Now, delay the Germans as long as you can.
Any orders, sir?
Reporting for duty. Any orders, sir?
Vehicle is operational. Vehicle is operational. Infantry ready. Moving. Infantry ready. Infantry moving.
Reporting for duty. Hurry up. Anti-tank moving. Anti-tank moving.
Orders? Yes, sir. Yes. Ready to attack. Ready to attack. Infantry reporting for duty. Moving.
Any orders, sir? Yes, sir.
Infantry moving. Orders? Vehicle is operational. Any orders, sir?
Reinforcement.
Awaiting orders. Infantry ready. Any orders, sir? Vehicle is operational. Ready for battle. Infantry on the move.
Any orders, sir? Orders?
HMS Ivanhoe is ready to provide fire support.
Awaiting orders. Hurry up.
Infantry reporting for duty. Vehicle is operational. Any orders, sir? We are ready, sir. Ready to attack. On the way. Ready to attack. On the way. Ready to attack. Yes, sir. Vehicle is operational. Yes.
Hostile units.
Any orders, sir? Come on! Awaiting orders. Ready, sir.
The destroyer is ready to fire.
Ready to attack. Yes, sir. Yes.
HMS Ivanhoe is ready to provide fire support.
gun moving.
Yes?
Awaiting orders. Ready to attack. Yes, sir. Affirmative. Open fire! Come on! Open fire! Open fire! Eliminate them! Aim! Fire! Bullseye!
Thanks to the valiant sacrifice of your men, we were able to evacuate more of our soldiers and allies from the city than we ever thought possible.
Friday, June 7th, 1940. As children back in Harwich, we would sit on Halfpenny Pier with gleeful anticipation and wait for the ships to roll into the harbour. It was the best of times. But I think I've never been more glad to see ships on the horizon than over the last few days. Military boats, fishing boats, dinghies, ferries, hundreds of them pouring through the cold waters of the English Channel for king and country to evacuate thousands at the very last minute. My men, what was left of them, were some of the last ones to leave. We had defended the outskirts of the city for days and retreated bit by bit while the Germans gained ground. Outgunned, outnumbered, and with nearly no ammunition or supplies, we tried to hold them back as long as possible. And I think with the help of God, we worked miracles. There are a lot of people owing their lives to my boys. De Gaulle tried to break the siege with his tanks near Abbeville, but couldn't get through. I must commend him on his valor, though. But here, his tactics worked well, even with British tanks. I know I should feel defeated and humiliated now, but I don't. We managed to save over 300,000 soldiers in the last few days, and all of them have a fervent will to return and drive the Germans back. The little ships of Dunkirk will serve as a beacon of hope and a reminder that the common will of free people will eventually overcome all obstacles.